What are you eating?
Peach.
Is it yummy? Uh-oh, chew, 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 chew. You almost ate it all. How are you going to get the sides? Can you pick it up and eat it?
It's too messy for me.
Do you want me to cut it? You can't eat the pit in the middle. It's juicy, huh? Uh-oh, wipe it with the towel. Is it juicy and sweet? Can your mama help you? You want me to hold it so you can take a bite?
No, it's too messy for you.
I'll just hold it and you bite it.
Put down!
Alright, just trying to help you out.
I want to try your hand.
Okay.
Get it messy.
Take a bite. Thank you.
Now Mom, wipe my hand.
Oh, okay. Maybe we should wait till you're all done eating, huh?
Then green and this one. And this one, Mommy.
What about your peach? Are you all done? Bless you. Okay. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. You get some peach in your nose? Are you all done? Are you all done? Should we get you all cleaned up?
I'm going to sneeze.
I think so, yeah. You feel like coming?
I'm going to sneeze.
Mm-hmm. That's okay.
I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to sneeze.
Okay, that's okay. Bless you. All right, let's go wash your hands.